The internet is a huge marketplace, and with some clever marketing skills, it's possible to make money from home. Social media management is one way to do this. In this video, we'll discuss how you can use social media as the foundation for your online business and show you what tools are available for managing different social networks. Many business owners don't have the time or energy to focus on their social media, yet they've got to manage it all. It can be difficult for small businesses and individuals to properly maintain several online accounts, and this is where you can step in. What is a social media manager? Before we dive in, be sure to subscribe and click the notification bell for weekly videos and tips on how you can earn money online. A social media manager for hire assists in the creation and writing of captions, as well as the growth of a following and ultimately managing several social media profiles. Some freelance social media managers specialize in a certain topic, such as working with just travel bloggers or sports enterprises, while others are more all-encompassing. Working from home or on the road is a dream for many individuals. Being a freelance social media manager is one such work that allows you to do so and operate whenever you choose. Many of these business owners, bloggers, and YouTubers don't have the time or energy to focus on their social media, which is why it's important for them to hire a team. That's where a freelance social media manager comes in. Master a platform. If you want to become a social media manager, you'll need to be extremely competent with many different social networking sites. Being in a particular sector allows you to manage just one social media account. For example, Pinterest, Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, and so on, which distinguishes you from other candidates for management services. Managers of social media platforms may also delve into matters outside their purview to create material for the accounts they manage. For certain clients, I've helped to develop short films, snapshots, create visuals, and so on. How to become a social media manager. You can work for one firm as an employee or freelance consultant for various clients. Taking a course that teaches you the necessary skills is the easiest way to begin in social media management. A great deal of the talents you'll need to be a freelance social media manager may be learned online in a short amount of time on platforms like Skillshare or YouTube. There are several options for training that successful social media managers may give you, so you can be sure you have all the components necessary to start your own company. They generally cost between $100 and $500 and cover everything you need to know about dealing with clients. What does a social media manager do? There are several platforms on which freelance social media managers may operate. The majority will pick to work as general managers, which implies they'll be in charge of Instagram, YouTube, Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, and Pinterest. A typical social media marketing manager needs to do these things well: planning content across one or more social media platforms, scheduling content in advance through software tools, reporting on campaign performance from analytics, monitor growing trends and viral moments across social media platforms, working with influencers and other businesses to increase lead creation and business exposure. If you understand what to do and how to do it, you'll probably consider scaling from one person to employing others and creating a business. Here you can even consider using virtual assistants to help you with the content creation. How do social media managers make money? Self-employed individuals often charge an hourly, monthly, or per project rate. Self-employed social media managers, also known as social media consultants, generally provide a variety of monthly service packages. The least expensive plan is 3 to 4 posts on social media each week, while the most expensive package includes daily postings on social media across several platforms. This can range from $300 to $100 for one account, so it can be a pretty great job if you land a few clients. Your income is limited only by the number of clients you can attract if you run your own social media management company. Here are some actionable next steps to become a social media manager. 1. Take an online course or view a free video on what social media managers do and how they operate. 2. Create a social media portfolio for your website to showcase past accomplishments on social media. This might even be for your own blog. The website does not need to be snazzy, just take action and post. 3. Make a list of your packaged services and their prices. Are there any specific platforms or niches in which you'll be concentrating? Examine those rates of those in your field to get an idea of what people are paying. 4. Create a client onboarding process. Consider how you'll receive passwords and set limitations with a customer, such as the hours you're accessible to them. 5. Know in advance how you're going to provide feedback to your client. Understand expectations of each other. Finding work. Upwork. There are vast amounts of people, bloggers, YouTubers, podcasters and company owners on Upwork who want assistance with their social media accounts. If you're applying for jobs on Upwork, bear in mind that the site takes 20% of your payment and that you should apply to occupations with less than 10 applications to improve your chances of getting selected. Fiverr. On Fiverr, you may offer package services and put them up for sale, which is well suited to social media managers. Any interested clients will then buy the service from you, and you can get started with your job. Fiverr is a great place to get quick, cheap social media manager jobs. It's similar to Upwork in that it takes a cut of your bill, but it's ideal for early stage endeavours, used as a stepping stone to build up some excellent client comments for future business. Our advice for being a great social media manager: beware of pitfalls. If you make a mistake, it can go viral. The same can happen if you make a blunder. This can be really damaging to the company you're advertising. You want to make sure you double check your captions and the work you're uploading before hitting the publish button. It's a time-consuming job. Many individuals may pursue a freelance social media manager job because it seems simple and they have all the time they want to do it. Whilst you have flexibility, certain times of the year can be crazy, like Christmas and Black Friday, where clients want to be front of mind, so they demand extra content from you. This means you have to spend more time planning and posting. Have an onboarding process. When obtaining new clients, it's critical to have some onboarding procedure in place. I propose creating a client welcome PDF brochure that you can use and send to each of your customers, as well as information about yourself, your company, and your services. Make certain that there is no ambiguity from the get-go. Stay organized. With so many customers to manage, you'll need to stay organized in some way. Use a task management system like Asana, ClickUp, or Trello to keep track of all your tasks. Come up with a method for keeping all of your client materials on a platform like Dropbox or Google Drive. Use a social media scheduler. Yes, you can use the platform's built-in schedulers such as Facebook and Pinterest to do so. It is, however, time-consuming, and you can typically only put out a certain number of pieces at once. Invest in an all-in-one planner like Meet Edgar, Buffer, or Later. Analytics has the answers. At the end of the month, your client will require reports, but you will too. This is your chance to evaluate what is and isn't working in your client's accounts. A decent social media manager will be aware of what works and what doesn't. In contrast, a successful social media manager will implement proactive changes to focus on the elements that are effective and eliminate those that aren't. Being a social media manager is an excellent opportunity for individuals looking to start working from home. You don't need any prior expertise or even a degree. Social media management is a fantastic method to get involved with a diverse range of small businesses. It's a profession that's always developing and changing. If you enjoy learning and have a flair for digital design, then you might have some fun doing it. This is a career that pays well if you're employed by the commission. But you may also want to develop your business skills if that's what you wish to do. What are your thoughts? Let us know in the comments whether you're going to give this job a try.